I'm glad to get my mobility back. Hello, my name is Farah, and I've been coming here for 2 months now. I came here with a shoulder injury and also a knee pain. My mobility in this arm has restored because after having my child, carrying my child so long period of time, new mom, and now with the wave therapy that we do here, it is extremely helpful where my tissues are being built, rebuilt, and then I'm feeling like a perfect person, like brand new. So I love coming here.
Awesome. There we go. Let's go to the other side. Wow, perfect. So let's get you to the other side of the table.
All right.
Big hug. Now breathe out.
Yes, I do recommend chiropractic service, and it's especially this one. The staff here is very friendly.
Wow. Perfect. Wow. Great.
And they welcome you like a family member. So everybody knows my name as soon as I come in. It makes me really, it makes it worthwhile to come here.